Reaching the age of 60 is a milestone that brings new freedoms, fresh perspectives, and sometimes unexpected challenges. Your body has served you faithfully for decades, but now, more than ever, it needs the right kind of fuel to keep thriving. One nutrient stands out among the rest: magnesium. It's the silent powerhouse your doctor may have never mentioned, yet your body is quietly yearning for it every single day. Magnesium is more than just a mineral. It's an essential spark that sets over 300 reactions in motion within you. Imagine it as the conductor of a vast orchestra, ensuring your heart keeps a steady beat, your mind stays alert, and your muscles move with strength and grace. When magnesium levels run low, the signs are often subtle, creeping in as fatigue, muscle aches, or restless sleep. Many seniors chalk these symptoms up to just getting older, but in reality, a hidden deficiency could be the real culprit. Let's take a closer look at what happens when your body doesn't get enough magnesium. You might notice blood pressure inching higher, or you wake up with stiff, cramping muscles. Anxiety and irritability may become unwelcome guests, and sleep, that precious nightly recharge, may feel elusive. The heart, brain, and muscles are especially sensitive to magnesium shortages, making this mineral essential for vibrant health as you age. The good news? Small changes can have a big impact. By adding magnesium-rich foods to your daily routine, you can help restore balance, boost your energy, and even protect your memory. Let's explore some of the best sources. First up, leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just for salads, they're magnesium superstars. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers nearly 150 milligrams of magnesium, a substantial portion of your daily needs. Toss them into omelets, blend them into smoothies, or stir them into soups. These greens also provide vitamins and antioxidants that support overall well-being. Next, consider seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. This humble snack packs a powerful punch, offering almost half your daily magnesium requirement in a single handful. Sprinkle them on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. Their nutty flavor is a treat, and they're known to help soothe nerves and promote restful sleep. And for those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate is more than just a guilty pleasure. When you choose chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher, you're choosing a treat rich in magnesium and antioxidants. A small square can satisfy cravings while supporting heart health and cognitive function. Moderation is key, but this is one indulgence that comes with real benefits. Beans and lentils are another versatile option. Black beans, chickpeas, and lentils are not only magnesium-rich, but also packed with fiber. They support healthy digestion, help regulate blood sugar, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Add them to soups, salads, or stews for a nourishing boost. But what if you struggle to get enough magnesium from food alone? That's where supplements can help. There are gentle magnesium powders and capsules available, but it's important to discuss these options with your healthcare provider. Magnesium works best when it's part of a balanced team. Calcium, potassium, and vitamin D all play supporting roles. Together, they create a harmony that keeps bones strong, nerves calm, and muscles functioning smoothly. Imagine what life could be like with restored magnesium levels. Nighttime muscle cramps fade away, blood pressure stabilizes, and you wake up refreshed, ready to greet the day. Memory sharpens, focus improves, and that sense of vitality you thought was lost returns. It's not magic. It's the result of mindful nutrition and small, consistent choices. Making these changes isn't difficult, and you don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your morning yogurt, or tossing a handful of spinach into your lunch salad. Swap out milk chocolate for dark chocolate, and try including beans or lentils in a few meals each week. These simple additions can make a profound difference in your overall health. Beyond food, remember that lifestyle matters too. Regular movement, stretching in the morning, walking outside, or joining a gentle exercise class helps your body make the most of the nutrients you consume. Staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting plenty of sunlight for vitamin D are all part of the equation. As you embrace these small steps, you'll notice the benefits ripple through every aspect of your life. You'll move with greater ease, sleep more soundly, and feel more present and engaged in each moment. Your body will thank you with renewed energy, resilience, and clarity. If you're over 60, now is the perfect time to pay attention to magnesium. It's a simple shift, but the rewards are enormous. Stronger muscles, a healthier heart, and a sharper mind. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish yourself, to invest in a future filled with vitality and joy. Your health is your most precious asset. By making magnesium-rich foods a regular part of your routine, you're taking control, making an investment that pays dividends far beyond today. It's about more than longevity. It's about quality of life, about waking up each day feeling empowered, confident, and ready to make the most of every opportunity. So, as the sun sets on another day, remember that small choices lead to big health. Your future self will thank you for the care and attention you give now. Stay strong, stay sharp, and never forget, your health is in your hands. With a little magnesium and a lot of intention, the best years are still ahead.